In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize projects in Asana. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to tailor their project management experience to better suit their needs. So let's get right into it. First, go ahead and open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Asana website. Sign into your account using your credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which displays an overview of all your current projects and tasks. From here, select the project you wish to customize. This will take you to the project's specific dashboard, where all related tasks, deadlines, and team member assignments are displayed. If you don't see your project immediately, you can use the search bar at the top of the page to quickly locate it. Now that you're in your project, you might want to change how it's organized and displayed. Look toward the top right corner of your project screen, where you'll notice a button labeled Customize. Clicking on this will open a sidebar filled with customization options, allowing you to personalize your project's layout to match your workflow preferences. Within this menu, you'll see options to add custom fields. Custom fields in Asana are tags that you can create to track additional information, like priority levels, budgets, or any other detail pertinent to your project. To add a new custom field, click Add Field, and follow the prompts to name your field and select its type, whether it's a numeric value, drop-down menu, or text entry. Beyond fields, Asana also offers a variety of project views to suit different management styles. For example, you can switch between a list view, board view, or calendar view by clicking the corresponding icons at the top of your project page. Each view organizes your tasks differently, so feel free to experiment and see which aligns best with your team's workflow. Another essential aspect of customization is setting roles and permissions. By configuring who can edit, view, or comment on the project, you ensure that your team members have the appropriate access levels. To do this, click on the Share button near the top right of your screen, and you can adjust permissions for each team member or an entire group. Finally, remember that Asana's customization options are there to help you and your team work more efficiently. Don't hesitate to adjust these settings as your project evolves over time. If you find something isn't working out, you can always refine or revert your changes. That's all for today's guide on customizing projects in Asana. With these tools at your disposal, you can create a tailored project management experience that enhances productivity and helps your team reach its goals with greater ease. Happy customizing!